Today I'm at Mzee Mkenya's farm. As you can see, the maize is growing. This is the maize that I showed you about a month ago. That was planted together with cowpeas, kunde. Unaona inasonga, the plant looks healthy. Hakuna hata trouble yote ya for worms. The leaves are clean, you can see even the new shoots. Very clean, very clean. Mzee ndio huyu hapa. Onyesha mzee kidogo. Tending to his crops. Wanafanya some irrigation work. I'll do a video and show you how they're irrigating this crop. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. There it is. You can see very lovely, Very, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Come closer. Cowpeas and maize. Cowpeas and maize. Intercropping. Kuna mambo ya monocropping hapa. Very nice. Mzee salimia tu watu.
Habari zenu?
Huyo ni Mzee Mkenya.